Ladies and gentlemen, we'll talk about digital value drivers, and this time it's not just one speaker who's going to be shedding their thoughts, but actually two of our speakers have agreed to share their expertise and knowledge. We would be welcoming. Let's welcome them together. We will have Chandra Jampa, the Vice President, Enterprise Digital Services, Techwave, joining us, and we'll also be joined by Rajasekhar, Gummadapu, the co-founder and CEO from Techwave. So with that, one by one, let's hear their thoughts.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Raj Gummadapu, CEO and co-founder at Techwave. Techwave is a global digital services company with a presence in 5 continents and 11 countries. We started Techwave in 2004 with a simple vision to become a trusted global digital transformation partner for our customers. Over the last 15 plus years of journey, we have gained the trust of many customers across industries and secured a strong position within the marketplace. 2,500 plus Techwavians take pride in delivering innovative, sustainable, impactful solutions for our customers. Techwave offers cloud, product engineering, data and analytics, ERP, enterprise performance management, and enterprise supply chain management services for our customers. Techwave is proud to call 10 of Fortune 100 companies as our customers, but most importantly, we take pride in delivering end-to-end services for many mid-market customers across industries. We service customers in healthcare, life sciences, retail, wholesale distribution, telecom, utilities, and fintech verticals. Techwave digital services help our customers safely deliver vaccine to millions, healthcare to home for many families, establish a secure cross-border payment network for many businesses, and deliver 5G and broadband to millions of homes. Our enterprise services BU is focused on unlocking power of Industry 4.0. We help our customers to transform their core ERP platform, leveraging SAP S/4HANA and many other SaaS solutions that come together to establish well-integrated operating platform for businesses. Our thought leadership, combined with well-defined industry templates, help our customers to accelerate digital transformation with core ERP applications. Our supply view solutions brings much needed visibility to today's complex supply chain process. Our Office of CFO solutions help customers to accelerate the financial close with accuracy and tightly integrate short-term and long-term business plans for executing strategies and provide analytics capability for timely decision-making. Our digital practice helps customers with establishing digital roadmap using our digital value map methodology. We execute solutions through a strong partnership with leading cloud service providers and independent software vendors. Techwave's well-rounded experience cutting across entire digital ecosystem uniquely positions us to help customers with the power of innovation and deep expertise. Information and cybersecurity are tightly integrated in our delivery framework, along with effective deployment of AI and ML. Our value proposition is well-integrated service delivery framework tuned to provide innovative, sustainable, cost-effective solutions that accelerate time to market for our customers. Here at Techwave, we proudly say that we are big enough to deliver and small enough to care for our customers. Today, I am thrilled to introduce Chandra Jampa, Global Head of Digital BU, to introduce our Techwave digital services portfolio to you. Thank you very much.
Hi, good evening all. This is Chandra Rao, and I head up the digital services at Techwave. And this is my 7th year at Techwave and have 2 decades plus experience in digital services. And the good definition at Techwave we follow for digital services is cloud, apps, and data, and which we think these are the definitive pillars of any enterprise. And it's an honor that I will be going through the digital value drivers for enterprises, which we are good at, and we target to deliver the value to our customers. With that, I'll move on. the business drivers and technology enablers today for an enterprise, typically goes across CX, RX, and PX. CX as in the customer experience, PX as in productivity or efficiency, you can call it, and RX as revenue. These are the major drivers for any business that we foresee and perceive always before getting onto the technology enablers for any enterprise or client or customers that we work with. But with the new norms in the work, in the norms in the business getting so much of diversification, and the challenges of competition, challenges of real time, the challenges of flexibility, all these things are coming up majorly to connect hand in hand with the business and technology today. Gone are those days where technology has been a kind of product or a commodity that is being used by business, but now it is a major enabler and driver of any business and scalability of it. Especially the customer experience requirements, the personalization, the documentation that every consumer or customer or partner or vendor is looking for, all are beyond great demand. So it becomes imperative to take care of those customer needs with keeping in mind the modern advancement of technologies. So we always target to extend the value to our customers from a business model point of it, where we align with the regulations, compliance, also bring in the greater flexibility and maneuverability for any business today that they are going in agile mode, scalable mode, flexible mode, and competitive mode. So we ensure these drivers that are brought in from a technology point of it, it could be getting onto more exponential technologies. Today, every enterprise needs all these enablers for sure to gain greater experiences. And typically, when you see any enterprise, why they need to transform digitally, why not? Because some of the CXOs, when we discuss with them, we feel that they are good, they are fine with the business point of it. Their year-on-year growth, it looks fine. But what is that and why they need to transform digitally? Because the existing systems are really working good and they rely on them. However, some of the competitiveness, some of the agility, some of the efficiency and innovative stuff are bringing, especially from a market disruption point of it. Sometimes these factors may put you back in the race, right? And it might go around into a linear growth, which is not perceived by any business today. So maximum value, getting on to return on investments, while these are very common factors, but doing it simple, doing it secure, doing to the scale or grow to the scale are the phenomena that we have to be looking at, especially considering the customer experience, right? And innovative factors from a digital point of it definitely bring this. Some of the most modern platforms that are enabling businesses on a great scale. Example, all the enterprises, you have been running enterprise applications, pointing to one or a group of stakeholders. Now that scenario is being changed to a digital platform driven business. Example, the diversification to bringing the unification across suppliers, customers, partners, vendors are these value generators that are really, really required to bring them at one place. And we provide the technology enablement to drive this business platforms. So business applications are converting into business platforms, and technology plays a major role there. And Coming to the data, data is definitely an asset now for every enterprise to understand the psyche, understand the personification of every customer, consumer, and bring that user persona so that what kind of predictive, forecastive, and advanced analytics can be achieved through this. And also the exponential technologies that make them, really smooth for the scale point of it, and knowing the customer requirements upfront. We have an approach. Cloud has been a fantastic platform that the modern decade has given to us. So the scale, the reliability, the flexibility towards automation, modernization, data and analytics have been phenomenal. So moving the business scale applications onto cloud has been really stable in terms of cloud, and it gives as a service model so that you don't have to just jump onto throwing lots of capex on top of it. And now it's more of a pay as you go scenarios exist, and also the security and the compliance are being handled at a very large scale. And at Techwave, we have this keep running, especially from an acceleration point of it. We use digital value maps, especially to annotate an enterprise where they are in their journey and where they want to go or achieve the digital transformation. And we also run cloud governance platforms so that you get the complete control of the cloud wherever it is. And automation and data goes hand in hand to achieve these across the layers. And typically we have a model to partner with every customer of ours, especially from an advisory, going for implementation, execution of modern technologies, and support. And with this, thanks for this opportunity. Thank you so much.
Chandra and Rajasekhar, thank you very much once again for sharing your thoughts with us, and that too just very crisply as well. Ladies and gentlemen, the upcoming session would now entail a dialogue. And if you're thinking, what's this dialogue? What is it going to be all about? I must tell you that this will be about the power of AI, creating the digital twins of the organizations, accelerating complex work, deploying digital workers, reducing that human error, productivity, flexibility enhancement, and of course, keeping the theme of our summit in mind, would also focus on increase in sustainable ROI. So all that I mentioned and more, that's going to be flowing in the form of dialogue. To witness that, I will just see you all just in a bit. So please be right back. Thank you.